Hi, and welcome back to the Beauty Library. My name is Georgina Castens, and today we are looking at the Peter Thomas Roth 24 karat gold pure luxury lift and firm Hydra-Gel eye patches. They retail at Sephora for $75. I know, a little pricey. I usually like to just keep these around for a special occasion or when my eyes are getting really puffy and my lines are a little more prominent. Description on the website is a luxury eye contour gel patch infused with 24 karat gold and colloidal gold to visibly lift and firm the delicate eye area in 10 minutes. So we are going to do a half face test today. I'm going to put them on this eye. We're going to leave it for 10 minutes, see if we can really see some visible lifting and firming and if they're really worth it because they are very expensive. So I just wanted to do a quick test for you guys. This is first thing in the morning, fresh face, nothing on my face, not even moisturizer. So we're going to open this. And it comes with this little thing to get the eye patches out. You're going to open it up. Try to get one of these out. So they are very, very thin. Okay, so we are going to do a half eye test. I'm going to put it on for 10 minutes. We're going to see if we see lifting and firming. All right, so I have the eye patch on. I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes. See if we notice a difference. I love Peter Thomas Roth. Every time I have tried a Peter Thomas Roth product, it has been amazing. So I was really excited to try these, a little hesitant because of the price. Everything I've ever gotten from Peter Thomas Roth does do what it says it's going to do. So we are going to test this out together, see if these are worth it, and I will check back in with you guys in 10 minutes. All right, so we are back. It has been 10 minutes since I've just put the patch on one side of my face. Just so you know, these are not paid promotions. I just want to do an honest review and see with you guys together if these are really worth it. I will say, like I said before, from personal experience, I really trust Peter Thomas Roth. Everything I've ever bought from that line, his line, has been amazing and has done what it says it's going to do. I also like to recommend to put these patches in the fridge. It feels so nice. Even when I put it on just this eye this morning, the cooling is very refreshing. It already feels like the puffiness has probably gone down a little bit just from the cooling alone. Something that's really cool about Peter Thomas Roth, his family back in the 1900s, they had 2 spa resorts in Hungary. He started his company in 1993. He battled with acne and he also wanted to create anti-aging products. So he's been around for a really long time. So let's take it off now and see how it looks. I will give you guys a little bit more of a close-up. The skin area around my eye, it actually, when I'm pressing it, it actually feels firmer. And I remember when I first bought these and I used them just on a random day and I went out and I was getting compliments left and right. So I didn't even realize that they worked, and I feel like they really did. But I can definitely feel my skin feels definitely more hydrated and also firmer, but I wanted you guys to see for yourselves. Thank you so much for joining me today in the Beauty Library. Again, my name is Georgina Castens. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'd love to share more reviews with you, do more of these half-face tests. I always find them very helpful, and I always love to see new products. It's a good way to kind of see if they're worth it before actually making the purchase. So thanks again so much for watching. My name is Georgina Castens inside the Beauty Library. I will see you next time.